आमने सामने चर्चा करते हैं।
आ जाइए, डिबेट हो जाए।
मैं तैयार हूँ।
आ जाए मैदान में।
Hello and welcome to this Headlines Today special. It is the dominant issue of our national discourse at the moment. The Land Ordinance Bill has pitted the Congress versus the BJP, UPA versus NDA, farmer versus industry. And the big question is, who has the better legislation and what does the country really need? Does it need what the UPA had promised or what the NDA is promising? Who has the better legislation when it comes to the land bill, and is the bill in the interest of the country? That's the big question we want to pose. A few weeks ago, Nitin Gadkari, Union Minister, posed a challenge to the Congress. He was ready to take them on in a public debate. And we are delighted today that Digvijay Singh of the Congress has accepted his challenge. Please welcome and give a big hand to Nitin Gadkari of the NDA, Digvijay Singh of the UPA and the Congress party. In this debate, we have farmers, किसान भी है, हम उनके भी सवाल लेंगे. We have people from urban India, middle class India. We will take their questions as well. But the first question, before I come to the specifics of the land debate, for the first time on television, we will go into the specifics of this big debate. The basic question, is this bill in the national interest or not? Why is the NDA, Mr. Gadkari, being projected by the Congress as anti-farmer? And why, Mr. Digvijay Singh, is your previous government being projected as anti-growth? Nitin Gadkari, you start first and tell us, why do you believe that this bill is not anti-farmer? Why is it in the national interest? Why are you staking so much on this bill?
First of all, this bill is passed in the parliament with unanimous resolution. There is no opposition from anybody. So first of all, it is in the national interest, it is in the farmer interest, it is in the poor interest, it is in the public interest, and it is in the social interest.
If it is passed unanimously,
Go ahead. Just to give me a chance to clear my position. First of all, I want to clear the thing that any cost, we are only making 5 amendments in this bill. And those 5 amendments are related with only the security and the defense, the rural electrification and rural infrastructure, then industrial corridor and low cost housing. We don't want to acquire any land for the big industry, for the corporate, for the big personality, nothing. Neither for private engineering college, private medical college, private universities. Basically, for the public interest, for the poor interest, for the farmer interest, and for the national interest, and for the social interest, only these 5 amendments are there.
There will be no acquisition of land for public-private partnerships of government-owned land. That is what I have with me.
Yes, I want to tell you. This is the Bill 105 Act, which is passed by the Parliament in the UPA regime. This is the 105, I just read it if you want to read. They exempted SIA and consent clause from this 13 acts. It includes the Coal Act. And you know that in the coal scandal, the CAG already cleared it is a scandal of 1,88,000 crores. Supreme Court cancelled the things. And now after only auction of 20 mines, government get 2 lakh crores. I am asking the Congress party a question. At that time when you acquired the land for the coal mine, why you are not choosing the way of consent clause and SIA? When you give the land to Vadraji in Haryana, lot of land acquired by the Huddaji in near Haryana, and at that time why you are not taking the advantage of consent clause and SIA? At a time when we are talking about the rural infrastructure, particularly of irrigation, where 80% of land is acquired only for irrigation, in Maharashtra 16.8%, in Jharkhand 5.6%, and how it is in the interest of the farmer. At that time you are taking all this objection and creating an anti-farmer stand. It is not appropriate.
Okay, I will come to the specifics that you have raised, but Digvijay Singh, you accuse them of being Soot Boot Ki Sarkar. What is wrong, first of all, if they decide, if there is a corporate which is willing to tie up with the government, so long as the farmer gets his compensation? You are anti-growth. If they are, you are projecting them as anti-farmer because you want the poor farmer to remain poor. You don't want the poor farmer of this country to enrich himself. Please go ahead.
Will you please allow me as much time as you allowed Mr. Nitin Gadkari?
Your time starts now.
Because in the earlier debate, I was not given enough
Achalo.
time. Okay. Provided Mr. Nitin Gadkari has the patience.
100%.
1 second. What I'm trying to say is, I'm extremely happy when he said and praised the 2013 Act which we brought, which was passed unanimously. He said, we are all very happy. We unanimously passed it. Thank you very much. Then, what was the need for the ordinance? Number 2. Number 3, he has made certain allegations. He has said they created an aura, a wrong disinformation, that there was no provision for national security and defense. Please go to 2013 section 2. I will read. A. For strategic purposes relating to naval, military, air force, armed forces, union, including central paramilitary and other vital national security or defense of India, state safety of the people. This provision is already there in 2013. They have not amended that. Coming to that.
Consent
So,
clause is
one
You
second,
are
one
not
second.
answering my question.
I'm coming to that.
Nitin
But
Gadkari,
you are
no,
not.
Nitin Gadkari has asked a question. You must respond to what he said.
First, let me explain. The disinformation campaign run
Consent
by
clause-
Mr. Nitin Gadkari.
consent clause and
One
SI is not
second.
Sir, 1 minute. Let
One
him
second.
speak.
Let me explain. They had said we had to make an ordinance because in the 2013 there was no provision for the acquisition for military, navy,
No, it's
air
not
force.
acquisition.
No, one second. Let
It's
me
a
finish.
consent
Hey, let him finish, sir. Let him
me
finish.
finish.
I will come back to you.
So there was no consent clause in that.
There is provision for
Sir,
that.
but you have not answered.
You are misleading.
Sir, you have not answered his question.
I'm coming
He's
there.
saying your Haryana government
I'm coming.
gives away land freely
No, one
to big
second, one
industries.
second.
That time you
It
don't
is
say
wrong.
suit boot ki
It
sarkar.
is wrong. It is wrong. Not 1 inch of land was given by the Haryana government to Mr. Robert Vadra. Not 1 inch. 1 inch.
Sir, Robert Vadra
One
chodo.
second. Oh, he
But
said
other
this.
industrialists.
One second. This is
Robert Vadra-
Mr.
I have
Mr.
got the
Rajdeep
record.
Sardesai. Mr. Rajdeep
I have
Sardesai.
got the record of the acquisition. You just see it. I will give you.
1 second. Rajdeep.
He is- He's saying area released for land acquisition by Haryana government between 2005 and 14. Department of Urban
ये list
Estates,
है, builder की list है।
109,028.54 acres. Department of Industry, 8381.10. Total land release, 19,309.64.
One second. There are two different issues. One is the land acquisition to be given to A, B, C, and changing the land use. There are two different things. The acquisition by Mr. Nitin Gadkari that the Haryana state government allotted land to Mr. Robert Vadra is wrong. Number 2, we are very happy if the present government discussed the ordinance. If there were any lacuna, they should have discussed this through the select committee with all political parties. No, allow me this
Yes.
time. Rajiv, don't be unfair to me.
Okay, I'm not being unfair.
Please don't interrupt me. You didn't interrupt him. You don't interrupt me also. What I'm trying to say is that he praised the 2013 Act, but if there were any lacuna, there may have been, they should have consulted the political parties and referred the issue to the select committee of the Lok Sabha. Even today, if the Prime Minister refers this issue, land acquisition bill, to a select committee, where the select committee can discuss with all political parties and the Kisan organizations, farmers organizations, we are prepared to discuss. And there is no limitation
How
of time.
many years, sir, are we going to discuss?
Mr. Rajdeep,
These
please listen.
discussions.
Rajdeep,
Sir-
you are not being unfair. You are being unfair. Let me finish.
Yes.
Let me finish. The time schedule can be maintained. You called us anti-growth. We registered the highest growth in the country ever since the independence. In spite of the fact that there was a worldwide recession, our growth was much
Vijay
higher
Singh ji,
than
can
the
I come
average
to the
NDA.
specific clauses? I want you to respond. See, sir, you have raised an important point.
Let me finish, Rajdeep. Let me finish. What I'm trying to say is that you say that he says that we have only amended, we have brought in 5 these things to bring in the issue of national security. It is not there in these 5.
UPA 2013 required 80% of landowners in acquisitions for private and 70% for public-private partnership. This is what the UPA said.
Exactly.
80% of landowners' consent is required, and consent is the key word in acquisition for private, and 70% for public-private partnership project. NDA said it will not be required for national security, defense, rural infrastructure, industrial corridors, and public-private infrastructure projects. So you have made 5 exceptions. Therefore, if today I want to acquire land, if the government wants to acquire land for public-private infrastructure project, my land will go. Agar if you in Noida, you want to set up a slum redevelopment project, you will not take the consent of any of the people who are owning the land here. You will acquire it. That is the question which has to be raised.
First of all, he is absolutely correct that Land Acquisition Act is there. But in 2013 Act, the land acquisition clause is there, but it need 80% consent for defense and for the defense purposes. No, it is there. The consent clause and SI is there.
No, sir. It is not there.
It's
Sir,
not
you-
there.
It
Sir,
is not there. They had made an exception for defense and national security.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
You are denying that?
100%, sir.
You are
Yes,
saying
yes,
there was no
yes,
exception.
Absolutely
Sir,
wrong.
that's why.
SIA was there, no, consent was not there. SIA was required for all land.
But no consent was not there.
Yeah, but SIA was there and that
yes.
would have delayed projects.
He
Go
was
ahead.
leading then.
Go ahead.
First of all, for the defense purpose, if you want to construct a airport near Srinagar, as far as for the security of this country is concerned, at that time, if the consent clause and SI is there, if the people not giving the permission, you cannot construct the airport for the security of this country. So that's why we are making that amendment. This is the ordinance, and we only exempted these 5 things from this SIA clause and consent clause. This is the ordinance. Now I'm telling you a logical and a constitutional point. The last date for this bill was 31st December. And if you fail to make the ordinance, it means that there will be no effect of any ordinance on the state, on the country, on the farmer. So it is in the interest of the farmer. It was in the interest of the farmer to make the ordinance. Without that, we cannot give 1:2 or 1:4 land acquisition cost.
I am asking you, sir,
Yes.
in your Congress, in the UPA bill,
Yes.
you said 80% of landowners
Only
in
for-
acquisition for private
Only
and
for-
70% for public-private.
Exactly. Not
The
for government
argument that
projects. Not for government projects.
Industry is saying that with this kind of law, it would be impossible to develop a project. 4 people can get together out of 10 and say, "Humko ye project acha nahi hai," project will be cancelled.
But Nitin Gadkari ji has just now assured the people through your
Yes.
debate that they will not acquire an inch of land for any industry. He has just now said. Now, I'm coming to that. He has just now promised to the nation that not 1 inch of land will be acquired for Ambanis and Adanis. But what I'm trying to say is that the consent clause and the clause is only specific, as you rightly pointed out, for PPAs and private companies. But as for in emergency cases, there is a clause 9 and clause 40. Please see where neither social impact assessment nor the compensation has to be given.
Please tell me, Nitin Gadkari, who will this land be acquired for? Who will this land be acquired for? What will this land be acquired for? If this is such a major clause,
First of all,
if you believe Narendra Modi is saying this act as the UPA passed it will lead to deindustrialization of India. So please tell me who is going to acquire the land under your new law?
It's a very important question which is ethically, legally and constitutionally you are absolutely correct. The land acquisition is a subject in the concurrent list.
Yes.
There are certain subjects where central government is authorized to make the law. There are certain subjects state government is supposed to make the law. And there are some subjects where state and central both they are capable to make the law. Now the land acquisition law, the act is passed by the parliament. After that, Huddaji government makes the rules for it. That is their right. Prithviraj Chauhan make the different type of rules in Maharashtra. So there is a provision. Even if the state government don't want to accept the law, some clause passed by the central government, they can change it. And that's why there was a compensation problem. Now I'm telling you I'm giving the answer of your question. Now the problem is that the land is acquired by the collector. The collector, as far as Revenue Act is concerned, collector is working under the state government. And now the problem is that it is the act which is passed by the parliament, it is basically for some facts. But as far the rules are concerned, Jayalalithaji's government make the different rules, Huddaji make different rules, and Prithviraj Chauhan make different rules.
Yes.
And they are right. As far as constitution is concerned, because of the concurrently, they are right.
Yes.
Now the problem is that, just I am telling you the question. First of all, we don't want to acquire any land for corporate, the rich people, Ambani and Adani, very common words they are using it, and for the rich people.
So who are you going to acquire it
Ha.
for? So who are the 1 minute?
Don't
Who are
need
you
to-
going to
I-
acquire this
just-
land for?
then-
What is
then
it going
I
to
am
be acquired
asking,
for?
Then I am telling you what public interest, social interest, poor interest.
Give me an example.
Yes, I am giving you the example.
What will you acquire this
The
land for?
rural infrastructure means
Means?
the road for the village connectivity. The rural infrastructure means the transformer in the village. The rural infrastructure means the public government school and government hospital in the village. The rural infrastructure means irrigation. And 80% of the land in the country is acquired by irrigation. From starting from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to up to Indira Gandhi, at every time the land acquired, majority land is acquired for irrigation. Now the it is simple
So
question.
what is the problem then?
Sir,
What
you
is the
just
problem?
understand.
Digvijay
You-
Singh ji, what is the problem then?
You-
If
you
he is
give it
saying
answer.
today, if Nitin Gadkari is giving you an assurance that this land will be acquired only for public purposes,
Yes.
effectively that is what he is saying, then what is your problem?
The problem is in the section 10A in the ordinance. Okay. Now please read section 10A, D and E. Huh? Industrial corridors set up by the appropriate government and its undertaking in which the land shall be acquired up to 1 kilometer on both sides. If there is a corridor of 10,000 kilometers on both sides, if you see 20,000 square kilometers will be acquired, which amounts to 2 crore hectares. What will this land be allotted to? Who will be getting this land if not corporates?
So you are saying that the land along the industrial corridor will go to corporates. That is your suspicion that Mr. Nitin Gadkari will say he is building a highway there. Along the highway only the corporates will get the land.
No.
That's what you are saying.
This is the apprehension.
That is your
As my
apprehension.
friend rightly pointed out, if he is not giving it to any corporate, put it in the ordinance, put it in the bill.
Nitin Gadkari, he wants you to put in the bill, no land will be given to corporate. No,
Already-
now come on, now, nobody is going to put this in a law. Digvijay Singh ji, आप मजाक बना रहे हो इसका.
मैं मजाक नहीं बना रहा हूं.
कैसे law में करवाएंगे? How can you say that
ये
corporate?
बयान दे रहे हैं when he is saying that not an inch of land will be acquired for corporates. ये मजाक नहीं बना रहे.
अब मैं आपको,
Yes.
I want to clear it. One thing is very clear that industrial corridor is there.
Yes.
What is the meaning of industrial corridor? It is just like an industrial area. From 1 kilometer to 200 kilometer, every feet there is an industry. That is not the meaning. There is a cluster of industries. 50 kilometers land will be open. But when there is a village, there will be a one cluster. From 1 kilometer side that the road, and there will be industry. Now you understand, I am from Nagpur. In Vidarbha, we are making cotton. If suppose the industrial corridor between Mumbai and Nagpur, if whatever the cotton we are available there, that can be used for making cloth, ready-made garments and export. So I am telling you, suppose we need pre-cooling plant, cold storage system. The farmers can construct all this storage tank, everything on his land. And suppose anywhere, if he want to start any agro-processing industry, he also can raw material. he can
Digvijay
take it.
Singh ji, 67, we did a survey 2 years ago, 67% of farmers' children said they don't want to be on agriculture. They want to move towards other industries. You need rural jobs, rural infrastructure. आपने तो भूत खड़ा कर दिया है कि ये लोग कॉर्पोरेट में चले जाएंगे. एक तरह से you have created this ghost. You have created a ghost that this government will only sell. What is wrong if there is industrialization taking place in the country? What is wrong if land, as long as farmer gets compensation? Key question is farmer must get compensation. अगर मुझे मेरी जमीन बेचनी है, मुझे उसके लिए compensation मिलना
राजदीप
चाहिए.
जी,
4 times the price. बस वही सवाल है.
Will you please?
But one thing, Rajdeep ji, I just want to ask
5
you-
minutes without this interruption.
Digvijay Singh,
I will give you 2 minutes without his interruption.
No. You should not interrupt then.
Yeah, he won't
So
interrupt.
I'm responding
I
to
want
this.
you to tell
No,
you.
I'm
Just a minute.
responding.
I'm going to show you on the board and
I'm
you reflect to
responding
this.
first.
Compensation.
No, I'm responding to you first.
Yes.
You see, for the first time in the history of independent India, the concept of land acquisition and rehabilitation resettlement has been brought under one umbrella. That is came at the initiative of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi in the UPA government. Okay. Otherwise, resettlement and rehabilitation was not a part of the act. I'm coming to that. We are not against growth. We are not against industrialization. But we only want that such land which is not productive should be left for industrialization, and that is why we had brought.
So multi-crop irrigated land cannot be acquired.
Should not be.
Should not be.
When
but
there
if
is-
I want to sell my land and I get 6 times the value, why can I not?
There is no
The
power.
power should be with the farmer.
It's a
किसान
consent.
के हाथ में ताकत होनी
Rajji,
चाहिए.
this is what
सरकार
I'm-
क्यों
this is what
broker
I'm
बन-
saying.
सरकार broker क्यों बन
This
रही
is
है?
what I'm saying. That if there is a consent clause and there is an agreement between the farmer and the land developer, the government does not come in. In fact, in Madhya Pradesh, the Indra Sagar Dam on Narmada had the largest displacement in the country today, and it went out without an agitation. And even Mr. Narendra Kumar Chauhan, the present Madhya Pradesh BJP president, he was then a member of parliament when I was the chief minister. He said, if you give this compensation, I will touch your feet publicly. I gave, and he touched my feet publicly.
You know, it is at the end of the day. Nitin Gadkari, आपने एक मिनट. अगर किसान है और I am there, anybody who owns land, we are not China. जमीन जो है सरकार के पास नहीं है. चाइना में जमीन सरकार के पास होती है. In India, land is with a private individual. I have the right to decide what I want to do with the land.
100% you are
right?
correct.
And you have to give me the protection of providing me 4 times compensation as per your act. Show the compensation on our board. Our compensation will show you that both the acts say 4 times in rural India and 2 times in urban India. Right? We want compensation. Should that not only be the debate? You have to ensure that if I am giving my land, I am giving it of my own free will. You cannot decide how much, whether I should give up my land or not. मेरी consent आपको चाहिए और आप मुझे चौतरफा 4 times the value of the land you will give me. That should be the debate.
Already it is there.
But then what? Then
May
why
I-
are we having this debate?
may I?
It is
If
a
you are-
political debate.
May I?
Because some party and leader want to prove that Narendra Modi is against farmer.
May I?
Narendra Modi and NDA government is against poor. Narendra Modi is a government of corporate. Narendra Modi is a government of rich people, and they want to make the politics for that.
तो ये
That is
कह
the
रहे हैं
only
पूरी
business for
politics
them.
चल रही है कांग्रेस की।
100%.
May
देखो
I,
क्या है?
may I, may I
respond to
interrupt?
that, Digvijay Singh
May I
ji?
interrupt? May I interrupt?
Digvijay Singh ji, yes.
May I interrupt?
Yes.
It is not only a question.
एक मिनट. हाँ,
It is not only a question. It is not only a question of farmers.
Yes.
There are families who are rural artisans,
Yes.
rural landless.
Yes.
That is why the social impact assessment is necessary, which they have done away with.
Sir, if you
The
do a
point I'm trying to
social,
make
sir,
is-
just a minute. If you do a social impact assessment of every project, it will take years for the project.
6 months. Is there a limitation on this?
Never it happened in 6 months. 6 years.
6
It
years.
will never
There was
happen.
never a provision.
No, let's be
There was
very,
never a provision.
sir, let us be
How
very,
is saying 6 years?
sir, let us be very clear. There are parts of this country where projects have been stalled for 8 years, 10 years because of agitations.
But not because of social impact assessment. There
you
was
are
no
bring-
there. It was
your
not there.
social impact assessment will take 6 years.
No, 6 months. There is in the act itself.
Are you convinced it will take 6 months?
It is
I will go
provided
to
in
the
the
court.
act. It
I
is
will go to
provided
the
in the
court.
act.
I
There's
will
a
go to the
limitation
court.
for 6 months.
I will go to the court protesting against it.
Ji,
I will go to the court protesting against it.
the right of the farmer to the court cannot be taken away.
Okay, I'm going to take audience question, but
Please
before
go
that,
ahead.
I want to ask both of you one question. You are both talking of compensation. Fact is,
And rehabilitation
एक
is
मिनट
settlement.
सर,
Both.
हरियाणा में आपकी सरकार थी, कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. You did not give 4 times the value of the land to the farmer. Maharashtra में there is a BJP government. You are not giving the farmer 4 times. You are giving 2.2% in Haryana, and in some cases in Maharashtra you have given two times the land.
I just rectify
No,
you.
that is the truth.
No. I am telling you, when this act was passed,
Yes.
at that time there was a government of Congress party, actually Prithviraj Chauhan, who makes the rule,
Yes.
the government, they given it 1:2.
Yes.
But after this act,
Yes.
we have taken a decision. I personally phoned to Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal ji, and I just give him that you must clear it immediately, and you must take the cabinet meeting immediately and rectify the mistake of Hooda government. And they taken a decision that in rural area it is 1:4, and urban area it is 1:2. The Devendra Fadnavis government has also taken that decision, and I am as a Minister of National Highway, where my land acquisition cost was 70,000 crores. Now, Rajdeep, I am paying 1,80,000 crores, and I already signed a file on which I am giving compensation in rural area, it 1:4, and in urban area 1:2. And now under the leadership of Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, we have taken a decision. The up to word was there in the act. We dropped that word, and now we are making the new law in the parliament, and with this amendment that the up to word will no there. You have to give the land acquisition cost 1:4 into rural area and 1:2 into urban area. No compromise on this issue.
My only
That is
worry,
the very clear request.
Sir, I agree with compensation, and I think both sides agree. My worry only is consent. Is the NDA government preventing the farmer from having his say over his property? You want to take over the land of the farmer because you want to fast track projects is the allegation, and as the process, I have no right. What power? Government of India and a big
I just give you
public
example.
sector versus an ordinary farmer.
Rajiv,
Where is the battle?
I just give you the example. This is the lake. This is a dam of 3,000 acre. And by the canal system, the water is going to 3 lakh acres. Now the land of 3,000 acre, if the 80% of farmers say no, so you cannot construct dam, then it will be, there will be no irrigation, no road, there will be no railway, there will be no metro. What is going to happen in this country?
Digvijay Singh ji, Digvijay Singh ji.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised by either innocence or ignorance of Mr. Nitin Gadkari. The fact remains, there is no consent
80% consent means what is the meaning of it?
Needed in government projects, only in PPP and private projects. I think he's misleading. Either he's ignorant or innocent about the act.
You are making the politics. You know the thing. All the things are on record. I am
Where is
constantly
it- where is
appealing
it
to
in
the
act?
Congress party.
Where is it in the act?
The act
Show it
has
to me.
Not at all. Show it. Show it.
I'm showing it here. Here.
Yes, show me that,
The
show me
consent clause. The consent clause is only for. Listen. The consent. I will show-
Show me ना.
I will show you.
अरे अरे
I
झगड़ा
will
ओ
show you.
अच्छा अच्छा उसको दे दो उसको
अरे
दे दो
झगड़े,
चलो
ये मुझे
आप
दीजिए।
उसको दे दो
I'll-
उसको दे दो ना
अरे मुझे
अच्छा उसको
दीजिए।
दे दो उसको दे
अरे मुझे
दो
दीजिए।
मैं भी दे-
चलो मैंने ये इसको दे दो अजय यू टेक यू टेक
ये consent-
अच्छा आप देख लो आप देख लो आप देख लो आप देख लो ना
Okay, let me show.
Listen.
Read it out.
The application of the act, section 2. The consent clause is the section 2. Consent clause here.
Okay, let
It
me
is
read
not
it
for
out.
organization.
Let me read it out.
Please.
Let me read it out. एक
Please.
मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट. You are saying for public, एक मिनट, public-private partnership projects where the ownership of the land continues to vest with the government.
Government.
That will be an exception. And exceptions provided that no land shall be transferred by way of acquisition in contravention of any law relating to land transfer. Basically, they are saying that they have put 5 exceptions. You are claiming that these 5 exceptions will be misused and thereby they will
That
take
is
away
different.
land
That
from a
is different.
farmer.
I am saying in the original clause.
Yes.
In the original clause, there is no consent provision for irrigation projects. This is what I am saying. There is no consent required for government projects. This is what I am saying.
Where
the
this is-
consent clause is only in section 2, subsection 2. Please see that. Please read it out.
Public-private partnership projects, the prior consent of at least 70%
There you are.
of those affected
There you are.
will be needed.
Not government. Not government.
Not government. Public,
This is what I'm saying.
private.
2000
If Nitin Gadkari has a company and you tie up with a private person to set up an irrigation project, will you take the permission or not?
And this is what they have amended.
First of all,
This is what they have amended.
it is totally irrelevant.
Yes.
First of all, that today everything is that act which is passed by 2013 in the parliament. Why we are making the exemption for five?
Yes, why are you doing the 5
That's
exemptions?
the problem is that because of irrigation, because of rural infrastructure,
That's already
because
there.
of affordable housing, because of rural electrification, because of industrial corridor. I accept it. It
Yes.
is there. And industrial corridor is for the poor people.
So you should say openly.
Openly we are
you
saying.
should
I
say
am
that
saying
we need
openly.
industrialization. We need. What is wrong? What is wrong if Ambani and Adani acquire? 1 minute. What is wrong if Ambani and Adani acquire
it-
land for
How
industrialization?
you can
or
say?
rural- Why
how-
don't you say it?
How you can say, Rajdeep, that the
Anybody.
industrial corridor Ambani is going to acquire?
Anybody? Why
What
not?
evidence you have?
I
How
am
you can
saying,
say
why
like
are you
this?
against industry? Why are you all both against? Why are you against industry? What is wrong if they acquire it? What is wrong?
Actually, the land
You
of
must
the,
provide the farmer compensation. That's
Yes.
all.
Not only farmer, the landless labor, the rural artisan, they have to be rehabilitated, resettled. That is also important. And that is why social impact assessment is necessary.
आप एक मिनट, आप संक्षिप्त में बड़े, आप बताइए।
जमीन किसान की है
हाँ, एक
और
मिनट।
किसान से सहमति नहीं ले रही। कॉरिडोर रोड बनाइए, लेकिन बाकी जो 1-1 किलोमीटर अधिग्रहण करने की बात कर रहे हैं वो कतई नहीं होनी चाहिए। किसान की मर्जी से अधिग्रहण होना चाहिए, उसमें किसान अपना कोई
नहीं। आप मुझे बताइए, सरकार कह रही है कि अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट हो जो सरकार आपके हित में है, जैसे हाउसिंग का प्रोजेक्ट हो, कह रही है 10 में से कंसेंट 8 लोगों का अगर मिल जाए तो प्रोजेक्ट चलेगा। आप कह रहे हैं 10 में से 10 लोगों का लेना पड़ेगा,
देखिए
सभी का मेजोरिटी का लेना पड़ेगा।
मेजोरिटी का नहीं, 80% का तो उसमें सहमति होनी चाहिए। लेकिन रोड के लिए जो सार्वजनिक हित की बात है उसके लिए किसान तैयार है, लेकिन उसके इधर उधर 1-1 किलोमीटर जो जमीन अधिग्रहण की बात है
अच्छा, तो
उस पर किसान
अच्छा ये बताइए, अच्छा ये
not the objection.
अच्छा ये बताइए, एक मिनट, आपने अच्छी बात रखी।
Objections of 1 kilometer corridor.
I am telling you the
Gadkari ji,
answer.
the fear that the farmers have is in the name of saying that you are going to acquire the land for industrial corridors. What you will do is 1 kilometer of either side of the corridor, you will give away the land for cheap to someone, and the farmer will be forced to give away his land without taking his consent. So if I live near the Mumbai-Pune highway, or if I live near a major, the Delhi-Mumbai corridor, I will have to give up my land without my consent. That is what the farmers
I am
are
giving you the
objecting.
answer. I am
Exactly.
giving you the answer. I am giving you the
Or
answer.
Delhi-Agra highway.
First of all, on the industrial corridor 1 kilometer away, there is no industry in line. There are some
repeating the
villages.
same thing again.
Just listen me.
You are repeating the same thing again.
No, why are you making me that I am making industry in line?
नहीं, ये आप इनके सवाल का जवाब दीजिए। नहीं, इनको डर है कि इनकी जो जमीन है, अगर बॉम्बे पुणे हाईवे के बगल में है या मुंबई दिल्ली कॉरिडोर के बगल में
इनको
है,
हिंदी
तो
में
आप-
जवाब
हाँ,
देता हूँ।
या हिंदी में जवाब दीजिए।
देखो,
इनका लैंड आप अक्वायर
अगर जहाँ कपास होती है वहाँ कपास के प्रक्रिया करने वाली इंडस्ट्री आएगी, कोल्ड स्टोरेज आएगा, प्रीकूलिंग प्लांट आएगा, स्टोरेज सिस्टम आएगी, और वो गांव का किसान ही खुद का ये सब काम वहां कर सकता है, और उस माल पर प्रोसेसिंग होगा, वहां पैकिंग होगा, वहां कोल्ड स्टोरेज में रखा जाए, आलू होगा तो कोल्ड स्टोरेज में रखा जाएगा। क्या ये किसान के विरोध में? और दूसरी बात, क्या किसान के सब लड़के दिल्ली और मुंबई आए? किसान के सब लड़के दिल्ली और मुंबई आए, उनके गांव में उनको रोजगार मिलता है तो कोई गलत है?
एक मिनट,
क्या
एक
गलत
मिनट,
है?
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट, आप एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट सर, एक दूसरी, नहीं 1 मिनट, आप कहां से है?
ग्रेटर नोएडा में
अच्छा,
रघुपुरा
ग्रेटर नोएडा। आप मुझे बताइए, सरकार कह रही, एक मिनट सर, अब सुनिए, अब सुनाई, अब सुनना पड़ेगा। आप मुझे बताइए कि अगर सरकार कह रही है कि जब लैंड अक्वायर करेगी आपको चौतरफा 4 टाइम्स कॉम्पनसेशन, यू विल गेट 4 टाइम्स कॉम्पनसेशन आपकी जमीन के लिए, जो आपकी वैल्यू है, जो आप समझते हैं आपकी जमीन की वैल्यू है, आपको चौतरफा, और आपको नौकरी भी मिलेगी अगर इंडस्ट्रियल कॉरिडोर वहां बन रहा है, राइट? वन एम्प्लॉयमेंट विल ऑल्सो बी प्रोवाइडेड टू मेंबर ऑफ फैमिली।
एक परिवार में एक नौकरी मिलेगी।
एक परिवार में एक नौकरी। इससे आपको क्या ऑब्जेक्शन है?
मेरी पूरी बात सुनिएगा राजदीप जी।
आप अपनी बात संक्षिप्त में
देखिए,
रखिए।
ये बड़ा ये देश,
आप बताइए ना।
ये देश को गुमराह कर रहे हैं। हमारा कोई मुद्दा किसानों का 4 गुना मुआवजे का नहीं है, विषय है लाइवलीहुड, जीवन यापन। वो जमीन जिससे हमारे गांवों का जिंदगी हम उससे गुजारा करते आ रहे हैं, हमारी सारी पुश्तें उससे गुजारा कर रही हैं, और उस खेती से उस गांव के 50 परिवार जो खेतीहर मजदूर कहलाते हैं, बढ़ई हैं, लोहार हैं, भीमर हैं, ये परिवार में एक आदमी को नौकरी दे रहे हैं। उन लोगों का क्या होगा जो 200 परिवार गांवों में अपना खेती पर जीवन यापन करते हैं?
अच्छा, ठीक है।
ये गांव के किसान को और खेतीहर मजदूर को स्वरोजगार नहीं मानते। ये इंडस्ट्री का
आप मुझे बताइए, आप
ये मैं पूरी बात बताऊंगा।
नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए, क्या आप ये सही नहीं है कि किसान भी चाहता है कि नौकरियां मिले, कि उनके बच्चे जो है उनको कहीं अगर गांव में इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन हो? आप नहीं चाहते कि गांव में कोई इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन?
हम विकास के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, हम विकास के बिल्कुल खिलाफ नहीं हैं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से हमारे जो ग्रामीण जीवन है उसको तहस नहस किया जा रहा है। देखिए, मुआवजा हमें थोड़ा सा दे दिया, उससे ताजिंदगी हमारा पूरा नहीं पड़ेगा। जमीन हमारा रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट है, जमीन सावधी जमा है, उससे हमारी सारी पुश्तें आने वाली खाती हैं।
आपने अपनी बात रखी है, आपने अपनी बात रखी।
चौकीदार बनाना चाहते हैं
क्या? They say that somewhere down the line, this is the fear,
पहली
कि-
बात तो मैं clear
नहीं,
कर-
नहीं,
मैं clear
there is
कर
a
दूं।
fear that the farmer has. And now we can go back to English. The fear the farmer has is that the way the government is projecting it, the kisan at the
मैं-
end of the
मैं
day.
आपको और एक बात
No, no,
clear
1 minute.
करवाऊं।
The kisan at the end of the day has no real control over his land. He has to do what you decide. If you decide that this area has to become an industrial corridor, he has to accept it. If somewhere else you want an irrigation project, he has to accept it. This is the problem that the farmer is facing, to which you seem to have you have failed to communicate and explain to him. How do you respond?
देखो पहली बात तो ऐसी है
जी,
कि एक परिवार को नौकरी मिलेगी पर उस गांव में अगर उद्योग होगा तो बाकी भी लड़कों को उसमें काम मिलेगा।
right.
जहां एक बड़ी इंडस्ट्री आती है तो वहां की इकोनॉमी बदल जाती है। दूसरी बात,
Now you can do it in English. You can tell us in English.
now the problem is that
Yes.
if we want to increase the industrial growth rate, agriculture growth rate, we need capital investment. And if we need capital investment, without that we cannot increase employment potential. Now the problem is that agriculture growth rate in Madhya Pradesh is 23%. In Gujarat it is 14%. And the country average is 4%. It is because of that we need more irrigation. And out of 70% of water is going to sea. Now we have to stop that water to control the system by which we can use that water for the irrigation, where agriculture
you are
production will
saying
increase by 2.5 times.
You are saying acquisition is critical for our growth, rural growth, rural jobs will also be created only through land acquisition. That's what you're saying. You will need to have an architecture wherein a kisan can,
That is not
wherein
the-
a farmer
that
can
is-
give his land to
That
you
is not the
and
only
get
criteria.
compensation.
There are a lot of other things also. We
Rajdeep.
have to make the appropriate policy.
Rajdeep.
Yes.
We have to make the land available, and we have to use the raw material of the agriculture to the same to that industry. If suppose the wheat is there, you have to make the biscuit factory there. Otherwise, the wheat cannot get the rate.
Digvijay Singh ji, you have to answer one question.
Yes.
You seem to want to keep the kisan living on his land as a small and marginal farmer for
No.
now you have to also listen to us, sir.
Yes, please go
the
ahead.
way you had framed the land acquisition law, yes, you wanted to protect the farmer in terms of compensation, which was good. Yes, you said that consent is important in certain instances, which was good, because you were recognizing the ownership of a private landowner. But the question will be that somewhere you will have to also recognize that a country needs to progress through major projects. Infrastructure projects are the way forward. They will provide more jobs. The Congress is not offering any alternative to that. The Congress, as this lady was clapping, आपको लगता है ये? What you want to raise that with Mr. Digvijay Singh? What do you want to say?
सर एक बात पूछना चाहती
You
हूँ
can say it in English or- Yeah, बोलो।
हिंदी बोलो, हिंदी।
125 मुंह खाने के लिए हैं, पढ़े लिखों का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग है, टेक्नोक्रेट भी हैं, किसान का बच्चा भी है, मजदूर का बच्चा है। पहले वो विदेशों में कमाने के लिए चले जाते थे, पूरे मिडिल ईस्ट में आग लगी हुई है, यूरोप में
आप
मंदी
question
है।
बताइए।
हाँ, मेरा सवाल ये है कि वो बच्चे कहाँ जाएं? उन्हें रोजगार चाहिए, यहाँ पर बिजनेस चाहिए, निवेश चाहिए। आप लड़ रहे हैं आपस में।
You know, that is the question. एक मिनट दिग्विजय सिंह जी रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट। एक मिनट दिग्विजय सिंह जी रिस्पॉन्ड। एक मिनट सर, दिग्विजय सिंह जी, एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट दिग्विजय सिंह जी, दिस इज बिकमिंग अ बैटल। एक मिनट, ये एक लड़ाई बन रही है। एक मिनट सर, एक लड़ाई बन रही है। एक तरफ इंडस्ट्री, सर एक मिनट, एक तरफ इंडस्ट्री, एक तरफ एग्रीकल्चर, एक तरफ शहर, दूसरी तरफ गांव, अर्बन वर्सेस रूरल, industry versus agriculture. You are creating a very false and dangerous debate in this country, is the charge against you. You are dividing Indians. This debate will end up dividing Indians. Are you not worried about that?
माननीय राजदीप सरदेसाई जी,
In English, please.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा क्योंकि
अच्छा,
लोगों को
बताइए।
समझना चाहिए।
बताइए।
ये देश समन्वय के साथ चलता है,
ठीक है।
इसीलिए हमने 2013 का कानून बनाया, आम सहमति से बनाया
जी।
सर्वसम्मति से बनाया, किसानों के संगठन से बातचीत करके बनाया। इन्होंने अध्यादेश निकाला मनमर्जी से, इसकी हमारी नाराजगी है। मैं दूसरी बात कहता हूं, मैं सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, डोंट इंटरप्ट मी नाउ। मैं चाहता हूं, अनुरोध करता हूं, प्रार्थना करता हूं नितिन गडकरी जी से
No.
कि अगर आप इस देश में किसान का भला चाहते हैं तो ये किसान और उद्योग की आम सहमति से हो सकता है.
So you're saying consensus.
Let me finish.
So my viewers
Let
in
me
the South
finish.
need to know.
Let me
Please
finish,
explain that to
Rajdeep.
in English.
Let me finish,
Yeah, say
Rajdeep.
that in English.
Let me finish, Rajdeep. ये देश में लड़ाई आप करवा रहे हैं गांव की और शहर की. आप करा रहे हैं किसान और उद्योग की. आम सहमति से इस देश को चलना चाहिए और समन्वय तब होगा, कब होगा, जबकि आप ये अधिग्रहण अधिनियम जो है, when this land acquisition act is not passed through ordinances but is debated in the parliament, is given to the select committee where the kisan.
But you passed the act in 2013. You
yes.
passed an act in 2013.
Exactly, this is what we want.
And now you want a debate again.
No, because they brought the ordinance. They removed it.
Rajdeep,
Let me finish. Rajdeep, you are being unfair.
Yes.
You are being unfair to me.
Finish.
Let me be clear.
Yes.
We brought this act with unanimous,
Yes.
with unanimity. They brought amendments by divisiveness. This is what our complaint
So
is.
you're saying they bought it by through an ordinance, which is your complaint.
My request through you
Yes.
to the Honorable Prime Minister and the NDA government is that instead of pushing this ordinance, instead of Mr. Nitin Gadkari, who's not in charge of the ministry
Yes.
which is handling the rural the land acquisition act.
Rajdeep ji.
Sir, the grandson of Sir Chotu Ram is the minister in charge. He is in the background. Nitin Gadkari ji is not holding that portfolio. He is coming to the debate.
What is the accusation you are making against Gadkari ji?
Yes.
Are you saying Gadkari ji is batting for corporate India? No, you please speak clear.
Let me complete. Let me complete, Rajdeep. Please don't interrupt. I would have completed this if you had not
Yes, go ahead.
interrupted. What I'm trying to say is that this bill has become contentious because of the attitude of Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP government.
Okay, I get
If
your
they
point.
had given,
I need to
one
give him
second,
the final word.
1 second. If this ordinance had not been brought and given to the select committee where the farmers could have also participated in the debate, किसानों की बात भी अगर सुन ली होती तो ये झगड़ा पैदा नहीं होता जो आपने कर दिया.
Okay. Nitin ji, I want to know in conclusion, is this your nuclear moment where Narendra Modi ji has decided for the growth of India, for development of India, as Narendra Modi sees it, this act is necessary? Will you even have a joint session of parliament? Will you have, answer my direct question, will you even have a joint session of parliament if necessary?
First of all, this act is very much debated in the parliament by the Congress party. There was a lot of discussion.
Which you supported in
100
2013.
times. Many of them giving good suggestion.
Yes.
Some of the suggestions from the opposition party we already accepted.
Yes.
And I am telling you, when I was a rural minister,
Yes.
at that time, I organized a meeting of all state governments in Vigyan Bhavan. We discussed with them. I have got the minutes of that meeting. And in that meeting, majority of the UPA rule state, majority of the left party state, they demanded to the government to change in this act, giving some relaxation in some provision. On that basis, we make that ordinance. Now the problem is that I am telling you the very
Yes.
simple thing. First of all, I am assuring Digvijay Singh ji that we are not going to use this act in the interest of the corporate, in the interest of the rich people, in the interest of the industry. Again, still, we are ready to discussion. But the problem is 2 months, the leader was not
Do you
there.
want a joint
Still, we are
session?
ready to discuss with them.
Do you want a joint session or not?
Select committee.
You want select committee? Are you ready for joint session?
First of
No,
all,
select
Are
I
you ready to talk to farmers?
Yes.
Are you ready to talk to farmers? किसानों से आप बात करोगे या नहीं?
Sir.
ये बताइए किसानों से बात करोगे या
Sir.
नहीं?
बात करो.
we have हमने किसानों से बात की
है।
किसान संगठनों से चर्चा
गई।
की यस
हो गई बात।
अभी भी
बात की।
चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है इनसे भी चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है किसानों से भी चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है हमारा ओपन है
Okay.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
Okay, on that note, okay. So the government has given a commitment. The government has given a commitment that it is ready for a wider discussion, including with farmers on this program. The land acquisition bill.
Through the select committee.
Is it,
Through the select committee.
is it going to be a watershed or a Waterloo for this government?
Through the select committee.
Nitin Gadkari,
Discussion with the
Digvijay
farmers.
Singh, thank you very much for joining us. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you
you.
very much.